Hi, this is Mr. Hood, and we're going to solve a one-step equation using multiplication. The equation that we're going to solve is a divided by 3 equals -9, and we've chosen to represent this equation using a model. The mystery box on the left represents the variable a, but since we're taking a and dividing it in thirds, we're only going to show a third of that mystery box. And of course, the -9 is being represented by those 9 negative counters. Now let's get our equation set up. Let's draw a vertical line through the equal sign and a horizontal line underneath. Of course, our first step for any equation is to get the variable by itself. So in order to get a by itself, let's examine what's happening to it currently. Well, what's happening to it right now is that it's being divided by 3. And since the inverse operation of division is multiplication, we are going to multiply both sides by 3. In the model, we're going to represent the left side being multiplied by 3 by multiplying that third of the mystery box by 3. Well, what that's going to do is return us to a single mystery box. And since a 3 in the numerator and a 3 in the denominator will divide out to one mystery box, let's cancel them. Now, what you do to one side, of course, you've got to do to the other. So if we multiplied the left side by 3, let's multiply the right side by 3 as well. And if you count up all those negative counters, the solution you will get is a equals -27. Is that right? I don't know. Let's check. So how do we check? Step 1, let's rewrite the equation. Step 2, let's rewrite the equation, but let's substitute the value of a that we think we found. Well, since we think a equals -27, let's go ahead and substitute it in. Now it's time to do some math. As it turns out, -27 divided into 3 parts is in fact -9, so the solution checks out. So in conclusion, the solution to the equation a divided by 3 equals -9 is a equals -27.